Hey guys, welcome. I just wanted to do a quick charting session for today's trade, and it has been bothering me since the morning that how could I? I mean, it's always possible to lose a trade, but this trade that I lost was of a very small mistake, which I want to journal, and because it has been bothering me, so I wanted to do a small charting session, talk about what was my thoughts, why did I enter there, why was my stop loss there, and all those stuff. And what was the whole idea of the trade, why was I bullish and all that. I'll go down to a 1 minute chart. So going into the morning I was really bullish, and rightfully so, because we had broken up the hourly fair value gap that we had noticed the day before. And if you look at the 1 minute chart here, at 9:30 open we went down here. That was manipulation that took out all the liquidity here, and then I entered here, right about here, and then we came back down again for a second liquidity sweep, which was unexpected. I think I entered somewhere here. Yeah, I entered here. My stop was 20 points, so that means I just got ticked once here. So this is what happened with me today. So I entered, and I got stopped out right on the tick, causing me to lose around $200 on each account. And then my target was really good. My target was this guy over here, 100 points on the trade that was over London high, and we moved. I noted down the first presented fair value gap, and here what we did was I entered on the first presented inverse. My target was 20 points, and then we broke above this high, so I was like, okay, now you're not gonna come back here, so I put my stop here. Sorry, not here, I think it was below this guy, because we already entered on the first presented fair value gap here, and I just put my stop below the first presented fair value gap. So when we got entered here, my stop was still here at 20 points, still there, and we went up, we broke it, and I brought my stop just below the fair value gap, so if it comes back and touch it and go back up, that would be fine. But it just come back stop me out. I think it was here, somewhere here. I just moved a little bit, and it stopped me out again and went up, taking out this one in speed. So this is what's bothering me the whole day, that I had a good narrative, I knew the direction, I know where the chart was going, but my stop loss placement was not good, which is why I will try in the future to not put my stop loss like these. It really bothered me, honestly. I've been thinking about it the whole day. So tonight it's like 11 p.m. in the night, and I was like, I don't know, I have to go look at the charts, what could I have done better and how I can fix it. So what I will write here is that I will always wait for the manipulation to end, right? Because this was a really quick move, and the previous wars and all those things have made me enter quick, which is not a good thing. I should be considerate about entering. I should wait for a fair value gap like this one that was made here. It went down. If my direction is up there, so I have to wait for it to come back again. And if my direction is down there, then I can just enter here and take, because inverse mostly work like these. If my direction is up there, I know it will just move around here, and then at some point it will give me an entry. And if it was down there, then it is an inverse. It will give me an entry and go down. That's how I've seen throughout my time dealing with the first presented fair value gap. This one would have been an amazing trade if my stop loss was below this. If I did not move it up there, we would have been in here and we would have taken these. It was still a really good 75-point trade, and I lost another 200, almost $200 on this one too. So these two things, and we ended up going above this daily busy over here, 132 points. If we were still in here, 160 point, and then we have been consolidating in the upper quadrant of this guy. Over here, we have been moving here for quite some time now, so I'm pretty sure that we'll make an all-time high now if we close above it. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at. What is it? Let's go to the hourly chart and see what's happening there. Our next high is over here for the daily. For 4 hours, it's there. For hourly, it's over here. Ooh, this looks like a good place to also put what do you call it? A fair value gap. So fairly far for now. 100 points to this high, then almost 200 points to the next one. So I'm pretty sure we have to see a day where we have reached this objective, so we have to come back around this area. That's what I'm looking at. Might be bearish tomorrow. Let me first show you this. So overall 4,500 on one account, so I have two live accounts, so that is $9,000. This Monday was a losing day, Thursday was a losing day, and two trades. Tuesday is a losing day. I hope it's all right the upcoming week. These 2 weeks are really good. 2K on both of these weeks. 100 on this one, and then $18 still positive on the week, so I'm happy about it. Oh, I think you cannot see me. Oh, still positive on the week. Overall, my Zella score is 93.1, which is good. Trade win percentage is good. Why is it 62%, bro? I only lost 3 trades. So average win $256, average loss is $125, which is good. If we have a lot of accounts, this is a really good way to do it. So 200, for example, 10 accounts is $2,000, which is amazing. Wait, did I say 10,000? 1,000, $2,000. Okay. Well, I can always target $500 per account and risk $200 is same thing. My profit factor is 3.4, which is something I keep. Like I want a trade which is above 2, about around 3, so which is good. So day win percentage 81%. Okay, so that's how it is. So day win is 81% and trade win is 62.5%. Okay, this is something new. I haven't seen this. What is this? Trading hours. I follow this rate. 88% performance on this one. Start my day by 8:30. I don't know how to fix this though. I don't know why it added. Because I don't understand these rules. Um, Current streak 29 days. I've been trading for 29 days on these accounts. Yeah, I think that's it. I was looking at news UC video and I really like these two people. One is this guy over here. Hey everybody, this Justin. I usually watch his content because he makes it really good. I'm not a content creator. I just journal my trading journey. That's what I'm doing. And with time, if I have uh, more experience and when I have extra time to do all this stuff, I will do it. But for now, I do work in the morning, so 9 hours a day work in the office. So I have to get up, make these videos, and post them, and do trading on the side. And when I come back from work, I have my wife and all those stuff. I have to give them time, and then I learn trading and all that. So, and this is my mentor. As you see, I love him. He's amazing. He explains amazing. This is the guy who gave me that 2 week winning streak because of him I started seeing those market maker models. So yeah, really love him. Anyways, I think I can sleep now. I just have to work on my stop loss placement. We'll see what happens in the morning.